Now that you have the start of a drawing, we have some things that we add to our drawings to give more visual cues. We use line patterns, we use colors, we use these things called layers. In the middle of your Home tab, you'll see Layer Properties, and you'll see a box that actually lists all of your layers. Currently, you only have one to work with. So we're going to add a couple that are going to go with our drawings as we move forward. So by selecting on Layer Properties, again, it brings up an entirely new box. You can bring this box, move it around if you need to move it around. You can pin it to the side if you want to pin it to the side, those sorts of things. Again, there's already one currently there. Directly above that is how you're going to add. You have a plus symbol to add a new layer, you have an X to delete a layer, and you have a green check to make that layer current, where currently what you're seeing is 0 is the layer to draw on. So we're going to hit the new. It's highlighted at the first layer, so it's waiting for you to name it. So we're going to name this one Object or Visible Line. We can change the color by clicking underneath the color column. We're going to keep it at index color 7, which is white on a screen or black on a white screen. Say OK. We're going to create another layer for anything that we're going to have that's hidden. We're going to change that color. I'm just going to pick green. You follow the instructions, please. Create another layer for center. Again, change the color, change it to red. And that's the easy thing. Just create a layer, change color. But now you have to also match line patterns to why we're calling things hidden in center and object. So if we have something in a drawing that is a dashed line, it needs to appear that way. And that's what we call a hidden line. If we have things that are circles and they have a center line that represents the very midpoint, then we need to create that pattern. So under the line type for hidden, I'm going to select, brings up a box. There's only one line pattern showing, so I need to load multiple line patterns. First ones you see are all metric. They have the ISO indicator in front of each of the descriptions and the pattern that it's representing. If you'll scroll down, you'll see the ones that are labeled exactly as we're calling them. You'll see center. If you highlight that, keep scrolling till you see hidden. If you will hold down your control key, pick hidden, and say OK, it will load both of those at the same time. So now I can select from this menu, say OK, and now I have a hidden line with the hidden layer in the green color. Now if I select the line type under center, select center from that list, hit OK, and now I have several layers created. And that's how you create a layer. If you're ready to start drawing, over to the far left, if you double click that, or if you highlight and click the green arrow, that's going to make that layer the current one to draw on, and you'll notice it updated on the home panel.